Okay, here we are in the mechanical room. There's my tank. It's an epoxy lined 120 gallon tank. What I've done is I've taken out the pressure gauge and I've put a combination pressure temperature gauge in. Up here is my supply from my treated water. Okay, it goes down through the pump into the tank, back out of the tank, and up back to the pump. There's a temperature gauge. As you can see, it's 78 degrees. That's in 4 hours. It's went from 58 to 78 degrees. So it's quite good. I've also left here, I've left a connection for my hot tub. One there and one there. So if I want to add additional BTUs of heat from solar, or if I want to withdraw heat from my hot tub, I can. And as you can see over here, from the tank, it goes down and it feeds the cold water supply to the hot water tank. I've also up here left a valve and a bypass so that I can bypass this system if I choose to. I just close the valves on the pump, open up that globe valve, and I can bypass the system. So right now I've got my circulation coming from here and from here, and it's slowly but surely heating up the water in this tank. My next step is going to be insulating this tank and super insulating my hot water tank. I'm adding 6 inches of insulation to this hot water tank, which is a 60 gallon electric, but electricity in Ontario, Canada is getting very expensive. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to super insulate this huge tank, and that's going to be my reservoir to supply nice hot water to this tank. So all my hot water tank is going to be doing is maintaining the water at the desired temperature. Over here in this corner, I have a timer which is connecting the 120 volt supply to this circulator I had laying around the shop. This is a 1/5 horse circulator. It should only cost about $5 a year to run. I've got it timed so that when the wood stove dies down about 3 a.m. it shuts off, and it comes back on at 9 a.m. once I get everything back up to temperature in the wood stove. So this is the system, and there you can see it's about 78 degrees right there, and that well water is coming out of the ground at 50 degrees. So what we're doing is warming it up. Slowly but surely that temperature is climbing. I will update you with more performance information as we get this thing rolling. Thank you for looking at my video. I specialize in all kinds of different ideas to cool and heat your home, your hot tub. If you have a pond, we can air condition. If you have a pond, we can put a heat pump in and get free heat, depending on the climate. But we can do all kinds of different things. You do not need to be a slave to the utilities. With some ingenuity and some piping, we can make all kinds of BTUs move where we need them.